We're prepping for our cruise and came up with an idea to make a QR code t-shirt. It's a great way to get donations, sales, or share information. We used our sister channel Cruise Reviews logo and 3 different types of HTV for this project. Chameleon vinyl for the words, flocked for the ship, and pattern vinyl for the waves. The QR code was the longest to cut and weed, but when we gave it a try, it worked and took us right to the Cruise Reviews YouTube channel. So cool. The chameleon vinyl makes the words Cruise Reviews shimmer. The flock gives the ship a felt-like texture, and the pattern vinyl looks like the ocean. Don't be afraid to mix things up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. We're publishing new videos all the time. I used the HTV Ront Auto Heat Press and pressed each layer separately. I also did a cold peel on each layer to make sure that the HTV was really adhered well to the t-shirt. Fresh's modeling a shirt, when I tried to scan the QR code, it took a couple of taps since he was pretending to be walking, but it worked. I'm amazed. I think it's the coolest shirt ever. If you have suggestions or want to see a more detailed process, let us know in the comments and we'll make a video just for you.